AWS Overview. We have so many applications running on AWS like Netflix and Dropbox. AWS is the leading cloud provider with Microsoft Azure in the second place and GCP in the third. It has over 1 million active users and over 200 products as of in 2021. It is very diverse. We can use it to build absolutely anything. There are endless use cases of Amazon Web Services. So, this is the AWS Management Console. Here is your account name. All these are the regions of AWS. I'll tell you more about it in the next section. Here in the top left corner, you can see the services. These are all the services AWS provides us with. In this course, we will cover the important ones. This is the search bar. Here you can search for the service directly. For example, EC2. This opens up my EC2 service. In the next section, let's look into the global infrastructure of AWS.